The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, a speedy hare loved to boast about how fast he could run. I am the fastest animal in the woods, he declared proudly, tired of hearing his arrogance. A slow but steady tortoise challenged him to a race. The hare laughed. You race me? That's a joke. Still, the race was set. All the animals gathered to watch. As soon as the race began, the hare bolted ahead quickly, leaving the tortoise far behind. Confident he would win easily, the hare stopped to rest under a tree and soon fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving slowly, one step at a time, never stopping eventually. He passed the sleeping hare. When the hare woke up, the sprinted toward the finish line. But it was too late. The tortoise had already crossed it. The forest erupted in seeds. The hare hung his head the shame, while the tortoise smiled humbly. Moral: slow and steady win the race. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share please.